these rather well-resolved peaks.
Yes.
Is this a, can you be certain it's a unique solution, or if the starting fitting parameters are a little bit different, or the transformation parameters are a little different, is this unique? I guess
I
would be.
think no. It depends on the code I use. It's maybe the rough data will look like this, and I need to use DRT code to get one peak. But sometimes there's some small peak. Maybe there's like this. Sometimes there's small peak or even more smaller peak here, and this depends on the mathematic I use. Yes, so it's not unique.
Okay. Yeah. Because it is. Yeah. It's very. It looks like it's a very powerful technique, but it's also.
Yeah.
One has to be careful, I guess,
Yes.
to make sure that you get something that's representing the physical system. I was also wondering, speaking of that, you identified these three peaks: P1, P2, P3. It was interesting to see that P1, for example, and to some degree P2, they mostly change the intensity, but the time constant stays very similar.
Yes.
There might be a small change. P3 is the one that actually has some dependence on concentration, for example. It makes me wonder if that could have something to do with the surface chemistry occurring,
Yes,
right?
sure.
Because chemical timescales are pretty long. These are pretty long. Okay, that's 10 seconds. It's
Yeah. So it should be a steady state.
Yeah, that's basically, yeah. But it's maybe 1 to 10 seconds. So, yeah, could it be a corrosion process or something like this? So you mentioned that you think it has something to do with changing of the surface.
Yes.
Is there any evidence that it could be reversed? I mean, I think that would be, so when we have degradation of an interface, a lot of people talk about is either suppressing the degradation, bringing it down. So if you saw that this peak was sort of stable or disappearing, then that would be a more stable interface. So it could be a way to characterize corrosion. Or sometimes we can do potential cycling, and one sees a sort of regeneration of the interface. And so it could be a way to look at regeneration processes. I don't know. So I think the point is, you say, it's sort of something changing with the surface, and you maybe focus on P1 and P2. But P3 might be also very interesting from a corrosion perspective. And corrosion is very important. So I think
Maybe I can try.
maybe thinking a little bit